You touch my life with the softness in the night. My wish was your command until you run out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friend. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on stage, day and night. I go through my charades, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. There and O pala. Oh, oh, I tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. You cut away the heart